everybody's life kind of takes a circuitous route. We think we're going here, we end up here, and when we get there, we realize that's not where I wanted to be. So you have to stop and say, where is it I really wanted to be? So I was kind of a student of understanding how to collapse time, right? How to do in a month what should take you a year or 2 years or whatever. I'm certain that the reason that I saw that webinar was not a mistake, because when I saw it, it was like, bam, that's for me. I mean, talk about an opportunity. It's perfect for everybody. I actually didn't even start running new ads until beginning of April. Within 2.5 weeks, I hit my $1,000 day. Now I know I can do it again and again and again. That's the moment where you realize that you've broken through. That's when you know you're in control of your life.